viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to see the recruitment of pharmacist in clerical cadre for SBI Bank. This is going to held by the Central Recruitment and Promotion Department Corporate Center from Mumbai. The advertisement number is CRPD Pharmacist 2021 to 22 by 04. The tentative date of online examination is going to be held on 23rd 5 2021, that is May 23rd. Then the online registration of application and payment of fees is going to start from 13 April 2, and the ending date is going to be held on 3rd 5th 2021, that is May 3rd. Then the online website for the application of these posts are bank.sbi careers or sbi.co.in careers. Then details of nature of engagement, vacancy, age, selection process or likely place of posting. That is, the post is pharmacist, nature of engagement is regular, grade is clerical cadre. Then for general there are 34 posts, for OBC 14 posts, SC 9 posts, ST 4, EWS 6. Total that is 67. That is for LD 2 posts. Then maximum age limit, that is 30 years from on 31/12/2020. Then selection process is by written test and interview. And then place of posting is state-wise vacancies are given any dispensary within the circle. Go through these rules and regulations by following that website link. Then vacancies according to the state-wise with the name of circles, total vacancies according to the caste and for reservation. Let us see. First, the state is Gujarat. There are only two positions. That is for general one position, and for ST one. For Andhra Pradesh, the total positions are four. For general two, SC one, and OBC one. For Karnataka, there are 7 posts. For general 3, EWS 1, SC 1, OBC 2. And for Madhya Pradesh, total positions are 2, general 1, ST 1. And for Chhattisgarh, the total positions are 1, general 1. Punjab, the total positions are 4, general 1, SC 1, OBC 1, and LD 1. And for Haryana, the total positions are 1, general 1. And then for Jammu Kashmir, total positions are 1. That is for general 1. And then for Tamil Nadu state, total positions are 5. For general 2, EWS 1. And for OBC, there are 2 positions. And then for Delhi, the total positions are 1, general 1. For Uttarakhand, the total positions are 1, DWS 1. For Assam, the total positions are 4, general 2, and ST 1. And then OBC 1. And that's it. For Meghalaya, the total positions are 1, general 1. Then Telangana, the total positions are 4, general 2 positions, and SC 1 position. Then OBC 1 position. For Rajasthan, the total positions are 6. General 2 positions, SC 1 position. General 2 positions, EWS 1 position, SC 1 position, and OBC 1 position, ST 1 position. And then for West Bengal, the total positions are 4. General 2, SC 1, and OBC 1. And for Uttar Pradesh, the total positions are 5. General 3, SC 1, OBC 1. And next, for Maharashtra, there are total 5 positions. General 4 position and SC 1 position. For LD, there is 1 position for LD. And then for Jharkhand, there are 2 positions. For Kerala, for Jharkhand, there are 2 positions as said, General 1 position, and then for OBC 1 position. And next, Kerala, there are only 7 positions. General 3rd 3 position, EWS 1 position, SC 1 position, and OBC 2 position. The total positions are 67. General 34, EWS 6, SC 9, ST 4, and OBC 14. Let us see the details of educational qualification as on 1/1/2021. That is, pass in SSC or its equivalent examination and minimum diploma in pharmacy, that is D Pharma, from recognized university or board, or degree in pharmacy, that is B Pharma or M Pharma or Pharma D, or an equivalent degree in pharmacy from recognized university. Then work experience as on 1/1/2021. That is, in case of educational qualification, minimum post educational qualification experience of 3 years as pharmacy or computer, ability to give first aid treatment independently for accidents or is essential. Or in case of educational qualification, that is minimum post educational qualification experience of 1 year as pharmacist or computer, ability to give first aid treatment independently for accidents in essential. Next, job profile, no, special skills required, that is, the candidates must be registered pharmacist under Pharmacist Act with State Pharmacy Council or similar recognized by body constituted for the purpose. Then, job profile and KRS, that is, distribution of medicine to staff members, maintenance and supervision of stock and inventory in the dispensary, drug purchase and order placement, checking and monitoring the quality of medicines, providing medical first aid in emergencies, effective follow-up with stakeholders, assisting medical others officers, support in general admin work of dispensary, support in typing and general correspondence for the department. Next, remuneration, that is, critical cadre. The scale of pay is 17,900 to 1,000. You can see the scale of pay here. Then the selection procedure. The selection of candidate for post will be on the basis of online written test and interview. Online written test is going to be held on conducted tentatively on 23rd 5th 2021, that is May 23rd. Then these are the areas given for the examinations. Then pattern of online written examination, total time allocated, that is 120 minutes. Name of the test is given here, and number of questions, that is for general awareness the total number of questions are 25, for general English 25, quantitative aptitude 25, reasoning ability 25, professional knowledge 50. The total number of questions are 150. So adequate number of candidates as decided by the bank will be called for the interview based on performance in online written test. The qualifying marks in interview will be decided by the bank. Weightage for written interview is proposed as 40% and 60% respectively. Then merit list. Merit list for selection will be prepared in a descending order on the basis of scores obtained in written test and interview. In case more than one candidate score the cutoff marks common marks at cutoff point, such candidates will be ranked according to their age in descending order in the merit. Then call letter for online examination or interview. Online examination, the candidate should download their call letter for online examination and acquaint yourself booklet by entering their registration number and password or date of birth from the bank website. No hard copy of the call letter acquaint yourself booklet will be sent by post. So remaining rules and regulations will be checked in this website. Thank you friends for watching this video.